Not sure how to use your Midea AC remote? Model number RG70E/BGEF. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The orange on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The OK button works like a final confirmation key. After selecting or adjusting settings, such as temperature, timer, or swing direction, press OK to execute the command. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. The Options button lets you access advanced settings for a more personalized and efficient cooling experience. Pressing this button may cycle through or open a menu of features, depending on your model. Swing Control LED display, buzzer sound, clean filter, energy saving. Swing Control. The swing control adjusts the direction of airflow by moving the AC's louvers up, down, or side to side. LED display. The LED display on-off feature lets you turn off the light on the AC's front panel. This is useful at night. Buzzer sound. The buzzer sound on-off feature allows you to mute the beep sound that plays when you press remote buttons. Clean filter. The clean filter reminder alerts you when it's time to clean the AC's air filter. Energy saving. The energy saving mode reduces power consumption by optimizing cooling performance and limiting compressor use. The super button activates turbo mode, which runs the AC at maximum fan speed and lowest temperature for rapid cooling. It's perfect for quickly cooling down a hot room in just a few minutes. Do not disturb button. Press this button to turn off the indoor screen display and also turn off the air conditioner buzzer. The fan speed shifts to low, which create a comfortable and quiet environment. The favorite button allows you to save your preferred settings, such as mode, temperature, and fan speed. Pressing it recalls those exact settings instantly, giving you quick access to your ideal comfort setup. To lock your Midea AC remote, simply press the up and down buttons together once. This locks all remote functions. To unlock, press the same buttons together again. You'll hear a beep, and the lock icon will disappear from the screen. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.